How to turn on Twitter dark mode. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we're going to learn how we can just turn on Twitter dark mode. So first you have to just open up your Twitter app and then you go to your profile icon on the left top, and then go to the setting and privacy, and here you can see, and in settings you have to go to accessibility, display and language option, and here you can see the second one, which is display. Click on that and you can see on the display the first option is dark mode, which is turned off. You have to just turn it on, and you can just also select from dark theme, it should be dim or just light out. So when you just selected it, when you go back, all your posts or your tweets will be just shown in the dark mode. All your tweets will be shown in the dark mode. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.